Yes, children, what is data? Tanvisri, please unmute yourself.
Collection of information.
Good, that's correct. Yes, collection of information is known as data. Okay, good. Yes, I Joshit, please unmute yourself.
We can count all of the objects that are different. We can count.
You can count all of the objects that are different. This is not the correct definition of data. Anyone else? Anyone else? What is data? Yes, Ketan. Ketan, you need to unmute yourself. Anyone else? Ayansh Gupta, can you tell me what is data? Ayansh, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we had been traveling last night, so he couldn't sleep the whole night. He's
Okay,
sleeping right
okay.
now.
Okay, ma'am. That's not the issue. Okay, okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Mana.
Collection
Collection
of information.
of information. Okay, fine. Yes, children. So data is the collection of information. Now, we can collect it from any source. Okay, there are different sorts of information. So when we collect some information, that is known as data. Fine. Yesterday, I gave you one example by using different types of chocolates. Let me give you one more example today before we start this. And one more thing, collection of information is known as data, that's fine. But when we arrange that data in a systematic way, right? When we are arranging it in a systematic way in a particular order, right? Then that is known as data handling. Okay, that's known as data handling. Now, let me give you one example. We'll have a quick activity. Okay, what I'll do is I'll write here name of some fruits. Okay, let's say for example apple. First one is apple. Now the next one is mango, then banana, let's take one more example, one more fruit, orange. Okay, now I'll ask you one by one and you have to raise your hand, and one child can raise his or her hand only once. Okay, so, and remember, you will raise your hand only once. First one is apple. How many of you like apple? Please raise your hand if you like apple. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you can lower your hands, children. There are 6 students who like apple. Okay, Veda, please lower your. Yes, Veda. Okay, so there are 6 children who likes apple. So I'll write here 6. Fine. Now you can raise only those children will raise their hand who likes mango. Yes, how many students like mango? Vineet and Dhirav, you cannot raise your hand again and again. You have already raised your hand. Vineet and Dhirav, raise your lower your hands now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, lower your hands now, children. Lower your hands, please. Lower your hands now. Okay, so there are 10 students who like mango. Okay, lower your hands quickly. Okay, next one is Akshara. Please lower your hand. Akshara, lower your hand now. Yeah. Next fruit is banana. How many of you like banana? Oh, you will not raise your hand again. You can raise your hand only once. Okay. Is there any other child who likes banana? Veda, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Veda,
ma'am.
you have already raised your hand if I'm not wrong. So again, you cannot raise your hand. Yeah, please. Okay. So is there anyone else who likes banana? Okay. So there are two children. Okay, fine. Yes, you can lower your hands now. So there are two children who likes banana. So I'll write here 2 in front of banana. Now last one is orange. Sai Joshit, lower your hand now. Sai Ritvik, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then please lower your hand. Last one is orange. How many of you like orange? Yes, orange. Dhirav, lower your hand. You have already raised your hand. Anyone else? Okay. Okay, so there are two children who likes orange. So I'll write here. Lower your hands now. Ashita and Bhavashwet, please lower your hands. Okay, so there are two children who likes orange. Fine. Now what I have done, I have collected information of grade 1 students, right? What I have done, I have collected information about grade 1 students, right? That how many of them like apple, how many of them like mango, how many of them like banana, and how many of them like orange. So in a similar way, we can collect information about different things. Like we can collect information about different colors. We can collect information about different types of chocolates that how many of you like pork, how many of you like Kit Kat. So there are different ways of collecting data, and you can collect data about different things also, right? Yes, Swarnika, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, this we have to write
No,
in notebook.
no, you don't have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now what I can do is I can do one more thing here. I can represent this data in the form of picture, right? There are 6 students who like apple. So what I can do here, I can draw here 6 apples. There are 10 students who like mango. So I can draw here 10 mangoes, right? Or what I can do is I can draw here hearts. Okay, there are 6 students who like apple. So what I will do, I will draw here 6 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what I have done, I have represented this data in the form of picture, right? So I have given the pictorial representation of this data, that there are 6 students who like apple. So I have drawn here 6 hearts. It depends upon the question. It depends upon the instruction that what shape you have to draw. Okay, if they are asking you to draw circle, you will draw a circle here. If they are asking you to draw star, you will draw a star. It depends upon the instruction. Now there are 10 students who like mango. So we will draw here 10 mangoes. 10 hearts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now there are 2 students who like banana, right? Ashita, how many hearts I'll draw here in front of banana?
2.
Yes, there are 2 children who likes banana. So I will draw here only 2 hearts. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Arhan Mohammed, how many students like orange?
2.
So how many hearts?
How many hearts?
2.
Yes. So it depends upon the given information. It depends upon the instructions, what shape you will draw if they are asking you to show the pictorial representation of the given data. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Anyone? Okay, no one. So this was about pictograph, that is the pictorial representation of data. Okay, fine. I think we had already done this one. So now we'll come to page number 18. Yes, children, please open page number 18 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on page number 18. And you have to take crayons in your hand. You can use either crayons or pencil color, but nobody will use sketch pens. Nobody is going to use sketch pens. Fine. Now, Akshara,
Ma'am,
please read the question on page number 18. First line.
first line,
Yeah.
represent the data given in
Question 1.
question 1.
Pictograph.
Pictograph in from of
In the form
A.
of.
Form of a
Bar
bar,
graph.
bar graph by continuing the
Coloring.
boxes.
Coloring.
Coloring the boxes.
Okay. Represent the data given in question number 1, that is pictograph, in the form of a bar graph by coloring the boxes. Bar graph means when we will color, we will make a column, and if we will color it according to the given information, that is known as bar graph. In bar graphs, generally we are making the columns. Okay. Now, Akshara, look at the first picture. Which toy is this first one?
Aeroplane.
Yes, the first one is an aeroplane. Now tell me, how many aeroplanes are there?
Ma'am,
How many aeroplanes are there?
6.
Yes. Children, there are 6 aeroplanes. So what we will do, we will color here 6 boxes. One more thing is there, you will start coloring from bottom to top, from down to up. Okay, is this clear? You will start coloring the boxes from bottom to top. So you will color here 6 boxes. Count and color here 6 boxes, children. This means you have to color till here. Right? Yes, children, please start coloring the boxes. You will color only 6 boxes. And you will start coloring from bottom to top, from down to up. Count and color 6 boxes, children. See, I am using a brush. It's not at all looking clean. Wait. I'll also color it in this way. Count and then color the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You will color till 6 boxes, okay? Yes, color it properly. Mayuri, unmute yourself. Mayuri, what's the next toy?
Horse toy.
How many are there?
6.
6. So how many columns we will color?
6.
Yes. So now we will color here 6 columns. And children, please use different colors. Huh? Use different colors. Okay. And always remember that you have to start from down. Okay. That is from bottom to top. Count and then color. And color it properly. Dhruti. Dhruti. Dhruti, are you there? Dhruti is not there. Suryansh.
Yes. Ma'am.
Yeah, Suryansh, how many children, sorry, how many bikes are there? Suryansh, how many bikes are there? Huh? Yes, Suryansh, how many bikes are there? There is some network issue from your side, Suryansh.
3.
Your voice is not clear. Yes, Sai Joshit, any doubt?
Ma'am, that is not bike, tricycle.
Okay, Sai Joshit, that's a tricycle. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Sudhamsh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now tell me how many tricycles are there?
5.
5. So how many columns we will color?
5.
Yes, we will color here 5 columns. So let us color 5 columns one by one. And remember that you can use different colors, okay? But count and then color only 5 columns. Okay. Now the last one. Swarnika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, last one. How many jokers are there?
7, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many columns we will color?
7.
Yes. So we will color here 7 columns. So let us take any other color this time. Okay, pink color. So we will color this time 7 columns. Children, count and then color. I'm using a cursor here, that's why it's not proper, but you have to color it properly. Done, or is there anyone who is still coloring? Anyone? Okay, okay, fine. I got to know. Okay. Yes, children, okay, fine. You can lower your hands now. I'll give you 2 minutes. Do it. And color it properly, okay? Okay, you can lower your hands now, Vineet. Okay, children, you have 2 minutes.
For each of the following.
Okay, take the correct answer for each of the following. Now you have to select the correct option. Okay, now read first bit.
Collection of information is called dash.
Okay, collection of information is called dash. Now read out the options.
Fact,
Okay. Knowledge,
knowledge, data,
secret.
secret.
Now collection of information is called dash. What is that, Tarini? Fact, data, knowledge or secret?
Data.
Very good. Yes, children, correct answer is data. So we will write here data in the given space. And moreover, we have to put a tick on the correct option. So third option is correct. So you will put a tick on option number 3. That is third option. Very good, Tarini. You're welcome. Yes, children, third option is correct. Collection of information is called data. Collection of information is called data. So you have to write data in the blank space and you have to put a tick on third option. Okay. Now next. Pradiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Next bit. Bit B. Question number 3, bit B. Start reading. Pictorial. That is pictorial, Pradiksha. Pictorial.
But this one you see, right?
Yes, last one. Pictorial.
Pictorial
Representation
representation
of, yes, Pradiksha, look in your book and then read. OF of
of
data.
data.
Then what is the next word?
Data.
After data, what is the next word? ISS.
ISS.
Then called. Called. Okay. Pictorial representation of data is called dash. Yes, Pradiksha. When we are representing any data with the help of pictures, what is that data called? What is the pictorial representation called? Huh?
Pictogram.
Answer is pictograph. Yes, pictograph is known as the pictorial representation of data. That's correct. Okay. Janvi, unmute yourself and read all these 4 options one by one.
Bar graph, pictograph, photograph, pixgraph.
Very good. First one is bar graph, then second one pictograph, then third one photograph, and last one is pixgraph. Yes, Janvi, which one is correct? Pictorial representation of data is called?
Pictograph.
Which option?
B.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Yes, children, second option, that is option B. That's the correct answer. So pictorial representation of data is called pictograph. Okay, so you will write this answer in this blank space first. This is pictograph. Children, please write correct spelling. This is pictograph. And then you have to put a tick on second option, that is option B. So please put a tick on option B. Option B is correct, and please write spelling also, pictograph. Hanvit and Rohit, you people are not writing. Start writing. Start writing, come on. Yes, children, now come to do it fast. Then we'll move on to next page. Okay, now children come to page number 2020 of your math course book. Please write date and class work on page number 2020. I repeat, please open page number 2020 of your math course book. Write date and class work. Today date is 10th of March 2021. I'll write date here. Today date is 10th of March. Okay, please write date and class work on page number 2020. Yes, Akshara?
Ma'am,
Yes.
which page number, ma'am?
Page number 2020.
I already complete that.
Okay, very good. If you've already completed, then you can check your answers. Yes, children, please open page number 2020 of your math course book. Why didn't class work? Ketan? Ketan is not there. Sai Joshi, unmute yourself and read this question. Sai Joshi, unmute yourself, please. Sai Joshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now read this question. Start reading.
Rohan has a farm where the grows vegetables.
He grows.
He grows vegetables. Look at the each type of vegetable that grow on Rohan's farm.
Answer it properly.
Answer the question given below.
Okay, Rohan has a farm where he grows vegetables. Look at each type of vegetable that grows on Rohan's farm and answer the questions given below. So there's one boy, Rohan, and he has a farm. In that farm, he grows different types of vegetables. Now, we have to look at each type of vegetable that grows on Rohan's farm. We have to count, and then we have to count the particular type of vegetable, and then we have to answer the questions which are given below. Okay. Now, Sai Joshi, read the names of these vegetables one by one. Suryansh, please sit properly.
Cauliflower.
The first one is the cauliflower.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Brinjal.
What is that?
Brinjal.
Brinjal. Okay.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Onion.
Onion.
Potato.
Potato.
Capsicum.
Very good. Capsicum. So these are 6 different vegetables which he grows in his farm: cauliflower, brinjal, tomato, onion, potato, and capsicum. Okay, fine. That's correct. Okay, Sai Joshi, thank you. Thanks for reading. Now, Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
read first bit. What is the first question now?
How many capsicums have grow in Rohan's farm?
Grown. How many capsicums have grown in Rohan's farm? Yes, children, you can see where capsicum is written. Beside that, some capsicums are there. You have to count the total number of capsicums and then you have to answer. How many capsicums have grown in Rohan's farm? Yes, Hayati, start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Yes, there are 16 capsicums. So we will write here 1, 6, 16. So answer for first bit is 16. There are 16 capsicums in Rohan's farm. Okay, that's correct. Good. Now, next one. Mana,
Yes, ma'am.
next bit, bit B.
Okay, ma'am. How many brinjals and
Cauliflowers, cauliflowers.
cauliflowers have grown in Rohan's farm?
On. How many brinjals and cauliflowers have grown on Rohan's farm? And word is there, brinjals and cauliflowers. So what we have to do, we have to add the number of brinjals and number of cauliflowers together. Okay, Mana, first tell me how many brinjals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, there are 12 brinjals. So we will write here 12. Okay. Now we will put a plus sign. Why we are putting here a plus sign?